Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of eco-green wood decor ideas to bring nature indoors with sustainable beauty. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world increasingly defined by glass, steel, and synthetic materials, the longing for warmth, authenticity, and a touch of nature has never been stronger. Eco-green wood decor emerges as a beautiful bridge between the natural world and modern living, inviting us to rediscover the harmony that exists when sustainability meets style. Bringing nature indoors is not simply a design choice, it's a lifestyle statement, one that proves sustainable choices can be beautiful, affordable, and deeply fulfilling. With every curve of the grain and every texture of the wood surface, eco-green decor tells a story of renewal and respect for the earth. It is art that breathes, furniture that carries the soul of the forest, and a reminder that beauty is not found in excess, but in authenticity. The gentle imperfections in reclaimed or eco-sourced wood, its knots, lines, and natural tones, create a character that no machine could ever replicate. Each piece becomes unique, not because it strives for perfection, but because it celebrates the journey of the material itself. The essence of eco-green wood decor lies in its connection to the cycle of life and the mindful use of what nature provides. When artisans and homeowners choose to decorate with responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood, they participate in a quiet revolution, one that values craftsmanship, sustainability, and emotional connection over mass production. The wood that once stood tall in forests or served a purpose in old structures now finds new life as furniture, wall art, or home accessories. This rebirth carries emotional depth. It transforms ordinary rooms into sanctuaries of serenity, where the energy of natural materials infuses every corner with calm and balance. In a world full of fast-changing trends, eco-green design stands timeless. It reminds us that simplicity can be luxurious, and that respect for nature can coexist with contemporary elegance. What makes eco-green wood decor so remarkable is how effortlessly it enhances both aesthetic and emotional well-being. There is something innately grounding about the presence of wood, the way its colors and textures evoke forests, warmth, and a sense of belonging. Unlike synthetic materials that often feel cold and detached, natural wood carries life. When placed in a home, it softens the harshness of modern architecture, creating an inviting atmosphere that encourages rest and reflection. A reclaimed wood coffee table, a wall art piece carved from driftwood, or even a simple wooden frame can transform sterile spaces into living environments that tell a story of coexistence between human creativity and nature's artistry. The air itself seems to shift around such pieces, as if the walls exhale softly, remembering the forests they once echoed. This deep connection to organic material can make a space feel more personal and more alive. Yet the beauty of eco-green wood decor is not limited to appearance alone. It embodies purpose and principle. Every sustainable piece challenges the notion that luxury must come at the expense of the planet. It redefines what it means to live beautifully. By choosing to bring eco-conscious craftsmanship into our homes, we align our lifestyles with values of care, mindfulness, and stewardship. We become part of a growing movement that believes in creating harmony rather than consuming it. Each decision to reuse, repurpose, or purchase ethically ripples outward, supporting local artisans, protecting forests, and reducing waste. In that sense, eco-green decor becomes more than decoration. It becomes a quiet act of advocacy, a way of expressing gratitude toward the earth that sustains us. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The satisfaction of knowing that your dining table was made from reclaimed beams or your wall art was carved from salvaged wood adds emotional depth to the physical beauty of your space. It is the joy of owning something meaningful, something that carries a soul rather than just a price tag. Beyond its environmental significance, Eco-green wood decor also connects deeply to human creativity. Working with wood, especially reclaimed or naturally fallen pieces, invites an exploration of artistry and imagination. Each fragment offers a new challenge, a twist in the grain, a knot, or an unexpected color variation that calls the maker to adapt and innovate. The process of shaping, sanding, and finishing becomes a meditation, a way of honoring the raw material and revealing its hidden elegance. For those who engage in this craft, the act itself is fulfilling. It fosters patience, appreciation, and a sense of collaboration with nature. The finished products are not mere objects, they are reflections of time, effort, and respect. Whether it's a minimalist wall sculpture made from driftwood or a grand statement piece crafted from reclaimed oak, each creation brings authenticity back into design. Eco-green decor also plays a transformative role in redefining modern interiors. The juxtaposition of natural textures with sleek contemporary lines results in a balance that feels both organic and refined. The raw edges of live-edge tables or the gentle grain of wooden wall art add warmth to spaces dominated by concrete or metal. These elements create visual poetry, art that not only pleases the eye but also engages the senses. Even in the smallest details, such as wooden lighting fixtures or framed plant displays, nature finds its way back into the home, offering tranquility amidst urban chaos. The presence of natural wood softens artificial environments, allowing people to feel more centered and connected. Studies have even shown that interiors enriched with organic materials like wood can reduce stress and promote well-being, proving that design has the power to nurture as much as it inspires. Sustainability, however, is not just an aesthetic choice, it's a responsibility. As deforestation and environmental degradation continue to threaten ecosystems, the use of reclaimed, recycled, and responsibly sourced wood becomes an act of conscious living. Choosing eco-green decor is an acknowledgement of our role in preserving the planet's beauty. It encourages circular thinking. Every piece of furniture or art can have multiple lives. Every resource can be renewed. This approach not only conserves materials, but also promotes a deeper sense of respect for the craftsmanship that goes into creating lasting, meaningful objects. In an era of disposable design, where trends change faster than trees can grow, the decision to fill your home with eco-friendly wood decor becomes a statement of resistance, a commitment to sustainability that is both elegant and enduring. What makes this movement even more inspiring is that it's accessible to everyone. Sustainable decor does not demand extravagant budgets or exclusive access. It invites creativity and personalization. A single reclaimed plank can become a rustic shelf. A piece of driftwood can become a sculptural centerpiece. The beauty of eco-green design is that it welcomes imperfection, allowing individuality to shine. Each creation feels alive, carrying its own fingerprint of history and craft. When placed in your home, these pieces tell stories that resonate on both personal and universal levels, a story of renewal, resourcefulness, and the beauty of mindful living. Ultimately, eco-green wood decor is not about following a trend, it's about rediscovering harmony. It brings us closer to the rhythm of nature, reminding us that our homes can be sanctuaries of balance, beauty, and intention. Each piece crafted from reclaimed or sustainable wood is a quiet conversation between the artisan, the material, and the inhabitant. It teaches that sustainability is not sacrifice, it is transformation. By embracing wood decor that honors the planet, we turn our living spaces into reflections of our values, grounded, graceful, and grateful. In doing so, we prove that sustainability is not just good for the environment, it's good for the soul. After all, what could be more beautiful than knowing that the art adorning your home once lived, grew, and now continues to breathe within your walls? Every grain, every line, every piece of eco-green wood decor whispers a reminder that when we live in harmony with nature, our homes, and our lives become truly timeless. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked eco-green wood decor ideas to bring nature indoors with sustainable beauty. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.